In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Mail app on Windows 11. Whether you've just upgraded or are using this feature for the first time, we'll walk through each step to ensure you're all set to manage your emails with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate and open the Mail app on your Windows 11 device. Start by clicking on the Start menu, which you'll find as the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once there, type Mail into the search bar. You should see the Mail app appear in the results list. Simply click on it to open. With the Mail app open, our next step is to add your email account. Look over to the left sidebar of the app where you'll find an option labeled Accounts. Click on this and then proceed to select Add Account. This step will allow you to link your current email to the Windows Mail app so that you can receive and manage your emails directly from your desktop. Now it's time to choose your email provider. A list will appear with various options to choose from. If you're using a Google email address, you'll select Google for Gmail. For an email that's tied to Outlook or a Microsoft account, simply select Outlook.com. And finally, if you're using Yahoo Mail, you'll choose Yahoo. Take a moment to identify and select your provider from the options listed. Moving on, we'll be signing into your email account. Start by entering your email address in the space provided and click Next. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Follow the prompts on your screen. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a security feature for Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, you may need to complete that step for verification. Once you're through, you might be asked to click Allow or Accept to grant the Mail app permission to access your account. This ensures that the app can fetch your emails, so make sure to allow this access. Finally, you have reached the last setup stage. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll notice that your email account now appears in the Mail app sidebar. At this point, everything is set up and you're ready to go. You can begin sending and receiving emails directly from your Windows 11 Mail app interface. It's convenient and keeps you organized with all your communications in one place. And there you have it. Setting up your email on the Windows 11 Mail app is an entirely straightforward process, and now you're equipped to handle your emails seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy the ease of managing your communications on your Windows 11 device.